ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking through a couple of backpacks that I've purchased for the camera equipment. Now I am just a novice at this, so you'll kind of get an understanding of what I've done and why very shortly. Now to start off, first one I purchased was the Tarion RBO2. This is an awesome backpack for just your camera equipment. You can't really fit much else in there. So we'll take a look at what's inside this one. Right now there's nothing inside it, but at least you can see how much room there is. So for starters, the camera equipment actually goes into the back of it. So we'll open this up. You can see inside we've got plenty of room for camera, lenses, peripheral equipment, anything you need in this. One of the things I really loved about this particular camera bag is if you don't want to open this up and you just need your camera really quickly, there's a side compartment that opens up just to the camera itself, which is really awesome. So that's a nice to have. We've also got the storage here, memory cards, that kind of thing you can fit in here, maybe some small lenses or filters, sorry. And over here, you see we've got another storage compartment and plenty of room in there as well. And over here, I think you'd be hard pressed to get a laptop in here. It's just not deep enough. But anything is possible. And then finally we have a large pouch on the top. You could put in sweater, light jacket, rain jacket, that kind of thing in there, as well as any additional peripherals that you may have. So overall, this is a great little bag. The downside to this is it's only going to carry your camera equipment. So if you have anything other than that, a gimbal, a glide cam, you know, any of those things, it's going to be separate to carry those. So I really enjoy that bag if I just have to take the camera out. And unfortunately, as I said, I'm a novice at this. I'm new to YouTube, I'm new to the cameras, the gimbals, all of that. So when I go out, I don't necessarily know what do I need today. So I went out and got another bag. Go figure. This one, a little bit larger. Now this is the Lowepro Pro Runner RL X50 AW2. This thing's pretty awesome. So essentially, this can be used as carry-on luggage on flights, and it's going to carry everything you need. We've got a ton of room in here. I've actually laid this out in such a way that I can carry my camera, my lenses, my lighting, microphone, filters, everything over on that side. On this side, I can fit in my gimbal. So all of the equipment for the gimbal, I do have the Ronin S, and it's a little tight to get in there, but it does fit. And then I also have the Mavic Mini by DJI, and the case for that fits right in here. I'm able to close this up and carry everything all at once, so I never end up going without equipment, because I'm going to get out there, let's face it, and I'm going to say, oh, I wish I had brought the Mavic Mini, or I wish I had my gimbal with me, and I don't want to carry around 3 separate cases for everything. So this one really works well. We also have, let's bring this up a little bit. You can see we have 3 more compartments at the front. Lots of space in there. We have dedicated space up here for your memory cards, and they're well secured, so it would be hard pressed for something to fall out of that. And then, bring you back down again. And we've got more space up here. You can put phones in there, any kind of equipment you need to. Also, same thing on this side. And we also have Even more space here. So we've got a laptop compartment. Well, this one's more for tablet, this one's for laptop. You've got plenty of space there. More space again here. So there is plenty that you can carry. This thing is a monster, but it's light. It's easy to work with. Best off is it's inexpensive and you've got everything you need in one bag. You don't have to worry about anything. So if you're just going out, taking pictures, doing some videos with your camera, the Tarion is the way to go. But if you want to keep everything with you all the time and even travel with this, because it's going to carry everything for you, then this is definitely the bag to go for. The Lowepro Pro Runner RLX 450. Anyway, you guys have a great day. We'll see you soon.